Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you a reveal and walkthrough of the newest Rainbow Splash release. We have several little mini sport themed bundles to share with you. First up is the tennis. I'm going to call it a bundle because you get a stamp, a die, and a coordinating stencil. So first is the little mini stamp set. You can see the racket, the trophy. For sentiments, let's go, and thanks for always rallying behind me. The coordinating die set is going to cut out all of the images in the stamp set, not the sentiments, but the images, as well as a mini coordinating stencil set. So if you like to blend to color your images, this is going to be for you. And all the little individual parts of the trophy. So there's a little stencil for that. The greenery, the tennis ball, you can do that. You can blend it. And then also the little handle of the racket. So maybe you don't like color in Copics. Maybe you'd rather blend. You're going to love the mini coordinating stencil set. Next up is football. So we've got tennis and now we have football. So you have some iconic football images. So you have the football, the helmet, go team, cue the victory lap. This is a moment worth celebrating. You'll always be my first pick. And then you have the coordinating die set that's going to cut out all of those images. And then the coordinating little mini stencil set. So this will give you the ability to blend the football, the helmet, and little aspects of the helmet like the star and the little stripe on the top of the helmet. So that is the football bundle. Next is basketball. If you have a basketball player in your life, you'll love this little mini. So you've got the big, what do you call it? Backboard with the net. You've got the basketball. Shoot for the stars. Thanks for everything. Hope your day is a slam dunk. And I think these sentiments and all the different stamp sets could mix and match for the various sports. Here's the little mini stencil set that's going to allow you to blend color on your backboard. And then the basketball. I love this one. I'm kind of a basketball fan. I gotta say, I was disappointed there's no hockey, but we do have baseball. Okay, next is baseball. And this is going to have the baseball and all the iconic images. For sentiments, you always step up to the plate for me. Thank you. Birthday wishes. I hope your day is a home run. Okay, then you have the coordinating die set that's going to cut out all those images in the little mini stamp set. And here's the coordinating stencil set. It's going to allow you to blend effortlessly color on your baseball bat, your baseball, and even that, it's like a big, what do you call that? Like a big starburst right here. This looks like you really hit a home run, like kapow. And then there's a little pendant. So that's the coordinating little mini stencil set for the baseball bundle. Next we have soccer. We are a soccer family, so this would have been great for coaches. Got all the iconic soccer images. Life's better with you on my team. You're a keeper. And then we have goals. Okay, so this, oh, and thanks for always having my back. So here's the coordinating die set for the soccer. It's going to cut out the net, the ball, the flag, and those other images. And then the little mini coordinating stencil set. So this is going to let you blend color on your soccer ball and then all the individual squares on that flag. And then now this word goals that's in the stencil set, I do want to just mention that does not coordinate with the stamped goals. It's a little bit larger. So you could blend goals on your project or maybe make a whole background with the word goals, but that's the goals. And then we have Enchanted blooms. If you're not a sporty type of crafter, but maybe you love florals, here's an all-purpose Enchanted blooms. You get one large floral, bunch of little ones, some sentiments. Happy birthday, best wishes, enjoy your special day. Thank you so much. Congrats, and so happy for you. So this is kind of like an all-purpose. The coordinating die set is just going to cut out that large floral stem. Okay, this does not have a coordinating stencil set. Okay, but we're moving on to the bold stars. This is a stamp set and a coordinating die set. These are solid stars in 9 different sizes. And then the coordinating die set is going to cut out all 9. But you can use those star dies without the stamp set or the stamps without the dies. I think this is kind of a staple that everyone needs to have. And then there's a standalone little mini stencil called the Scandi Floral Motif. I love it. It's classic. Beautiful blended background. You can also emboss with stencils, run them through your die cutting machine, maybe with an extra shim, and it'll give really fun texture. Okay, a couple little extras in the Rainbow Splash release. First up is the Metallic Rainbow Embellishment Mix. Love a good rainbow embellishment mix. They're a little bit iridescent. These would be so fun in a shaker. Great to embellish all your Rainbow Splash projects. There's also some fine point scissors. These are new in the Rainbow Splash collection. They are 2.35 inch steel blades, 5.3 inch overall length. It's a great detail scissor size. Really sharp, fantastic in the hand. Okay, so that is everything in the new Rainbow Splash release. Before we go, I just want to share a couple of projects that I've created with some of these new products. First, I did a basketball themed card, Shoot for the Stars, and I used those bold stars, the dies, on the background. Here, I used that Scandi floral motif on the background and the Enchanted blooms for the image and the sentiments. All the little white details are Nuvo drops. Check out the Simon Says Stamp blog for more information and inspiration on this new Rainbow Splash release. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.